Hello everyone, welcome to the Sabi Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Alexa on Android phone. The first step is to download the Alexa app. So open your Google Play Store application and in this search bar, type in Amazon Alexa. Once it appears, tap on this install button to download and install the app. Once installed, open the application by tapping on this button. Here, sign in with your Amazon account and follow the setup instructions to link your device with Alexa. Here, you can read the application's terms and conditions. If you agree, just tap on this Agree and Continue button. Here, tap on Continue to proceed. In this page, you can choose to set up a device. Here, you can choose in this list which device you want to set up. In this screen, set up your profile name. Make sure to double check that your name is correct. After that, tap on Agree and Continue. In this window, you can hear how Alexa say your name. If Alexa nailed it, just tap on this button. Here, you can set up your voice ID so that Alexa will learn your voice. In this page, you can choose to allow Alexa to access your contacts. Next, you can also allow Alexa to send you notifications. After that, you can now get started with Alexa. Here, you can see various features that you can use. You can connect your music application with Alexa. You can create a shopping list, schedule announcements, list routines, schedule alarms, and many more. Below, you can also add sticky notes and know the weather. Here, you can also control smart home devices if you have them connected. If you have smart home devices like lights, thermostats, or cameras linked to your Alexa account, you can control them using your Android phone. Just ask Alexa to turn on the lights or adjust the temperature and she will handle it for you. You can also explore Alexa's features like brief mode, which provides shorter responses and routines where you can set up customized commands to control multiple devices or perform specific actions with a single voice command. You can enable brief mode by tapping on this switch. Now that you are set up, interacting with Alexa is easy. In this window, just say Alexa followed by your command or question. You can ask about the weather, play music, set reminders, or even stop your previous commands. So that's it. That's how you can use Alexa on Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching!